Thank you so much. Steve Earls, good toy. Will y'all turn this one back on? I mean, they don't get mentioned much, but have you noticed like there's a lot of shows going on in all these different venues all over the boat? Right, I'm sure you've noticed that. Surely. Well, there's a whole bunch of guys running these boards and these speakers and all these wires making this shit happen, and if they fucked up or were incompetent in any way, this would not happen. So thank you to all of them. They really do a great job. I play venues all over the country, and sometimes it's not this good. So I'm grateful and I appreciate it. Sometimes it's really nice, but hey, so I got this really sweet note. It said, "Dear Elizabeth, my name is Eric Brummel. Mom died 1 month ago, February 1st, 2017. Could I request Mama's prayers for Donna Setter? P.S. I took Sarah Potenza to get you a smoothie 2 years ago in Austin's Ameripolitan Awards. Not that that matters, Eric." A, that totally matters. And B, this is my brand new band, and they don't know all my songs yet, but they do know one that I'd like to send out to Eric and his mom. This one's called Balls to Be a Woman. Well, she is socialite, a decent housewife, and she makes a mean lasagna. So when the mechanic said, "Now, lady, don't you panic, but this one is gonna cost you," she said, "You know I don't need my engine rebuilt, but just check the oil and change that belt. Well, honey, I know you thought you saw me coming, but sometimes it takes fall."